Hey everyone, myself Srikanth Pola. We reside in Aspire Spaces Ameya, located in Bachupally, Miyapur. I was looking for some sofa, like a recliner with some lounger. So I was exploring the option, and one of my friends suggested to try the recliners from Srivay, and that's when I stepped into their experience center and found different options that they are providing and how quality they are providing. So it was great experience with the staff, like beginning from the quotation till the delivery. They were very responsive and also prompt, and was patient enough to explain us the available options, and they suggested to go with this kind of sofa for our flat to suit better with the space available and also the match with the aesthetics that we have in terms of the interior that we have designed and prepared here. The delivery was on time and the installation was done professionally, and I would say we are very happy with the quality, comfort, and also the feel of the recliners that we have bought from Srivay. We were thinking to go with 3 recliners, and we were not sure how to accommodate that. So that's where the Srivay staff has suggested us to go with this console thing in the between, so that the buttons won't be congested and access the buttons of the recliners, and it won't be clumsy. Yeah, that's how they suggested us to go with, and yeah, it's all overall good for us from the beginning to the till the delivery and the support after the delivery. Like, it was Vamshi who has been supporting us throughout this process, and he was very patient enough to answer our questions and also prompt responses, and he was able to communicate with us every phase of the process, and also during the delivery and also the after the delivery, and he has been a very great support for us in terms of this purchase. I really encourage and advise you to visit Srivay if at all you are looking for any recliners or sofa options with a great quality and reliable customer service. Thank you.
Thank you, Srivay. You won our